Hi, I'm Dave Koval, Health Commissioner here at Lorain County Public Health. We know that as we get closer to the school year, it's really important for parents and guardians to feel like their child can go back to school in a safe manner. We've been working for months now with the school districts to put a plan together to try to keep people as safe as possible. There's no such thing as zero risk for any disease. There will be COVID-19 cases this year in your district and in your child's school building. Let's talk a little bit about how Lorain County Public Health will help the schools identify cases and contacts. I really want to talk about rings of exposure. First, all positive cases will be contacted by Lorain County Public Health. Next, we'll identify close contacts who are within 6 feet for 15 minutes or longer. During this, our contact tracers will contact the case, the parents, possibly the teachers, other members of the school, so we can identify where close contacts might have come in contact with the case. If you're a close contact of a case, you'll be quarantined for 14 days. There'll also be a few other people that are identified as low-risk exposures. These may be people who are in the class but sit further than 6 feet away, or are at recess with the child, or some other limited exposure that doesn't really constitute a close contact and therefore won't be quarantined. We've given examples of how the school district can then send a note home to the parents so that you know that there was a case in your class, but you have a low exposure. Then there'll be a third group of people. Those will be people with really no exposure. But maybe you're in the same school, maybe you're in a classroom, but you sit very far away from the case, and you really have no exposure, but we've advised the school district to send a letter home just so you would know that there's a case in your classroom. The school and teachers will be doing the best to help your child have as many barriers as possible. So barriers can be 6 feet of space, wearing your mask, being outside when you can. The key is the more barriers you have, the less chance you have of the virus spreading. As we move into the school year, it'll be really important for us all to work together. If you have questions about how you can keep your child safe, contact Lorain County Public Health or your school nurse. And together, we can all make the school experience that much safer.